Have you heard the news? A piece of digital art is now worth $69 million. If that doesn't make you stop and scratch your head, then I don't know what will. Whether you call them a hype bubble or the next big thing in the world of blockchain, one thing is certain: NFTs are here to stay. And as the saying goes, the early bird catches the worm. So it's better to hop on the trend while it's young so that you can make some real money. But first, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Crypto Talks, where we talk about cryptocurrency and all you need to know in the world of finance. We're back with another incredible video, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. In this video, we'll teach you how to buy and sell Solana NFTs like a pro. So without further ado, let's get started. During the past few years, the use of NFTs or non-fungible tokens has increased dramatically. Towards the end of 2021, the NFT market had reached a valuation of roughly $40 billion, with around 28.6 million wallets actively trading NFTs by the end of the year. For those of you who want to get in on the ground floor of this new investment opportunity, Solana is a name you're most likely familiar with. Solana or Sol NFTs are garnering a lot of interest right now, mostly due to the fact that they are very accessible to potential traders. Thanks to Solana, you can acquire NFTs without paying crazy high transaction fees or hefty conversion charges. But the thing is, how precisely can you get Solana NFTs in a secure, effective, and stress-free manner without putting yourself in danger? We can show you how, but first, let's have a quick recap about what Solana is. In 2017, Stephen Akridge, Greg Fitzgerald, and Anatoly Yakovenko launched Solana, a Layer 1 blockchain. The trio created this blockchain in response to the troubles that Ethereum was experiencing as an NFT platform, such as billions in trade volume, increasing transaction costs, and major congestion concerns. During the summer of 2021, the value of Solana's native cryptocurrency Sol skyrocketed, owing in large part to the increasing popularity of the NFT collecting possibilities available on the platform. So getting back to our topic, how do you buy Solana NFTs? If you're interested in purchasing NFTs right now, you'll be happy to know that Solana has made the process much simpler. You don't have to deal with the escalating costs and congestion of Ethereum-based platforms in order to build a solid NFT collection. Step 1. Set boundaries. Before you dip your feet into investing, this is the first thing that you should learn. Control yourself and only put money into investments that you can afford to lose. If you keep your spending to a minimum and only invest what you can afford to lose, you won't have to worry as much about what will happen if anything goes wrong and your NFT loses its value. Also, if the market falls, you can still sit back and wait for it to climb again. We'd suggest spending some time writing down any rules you wish to follow before you start looking through the art pieces and NFT possibilities that are accessible to you. Your collection may be based on whatever subject matter you want, but it will be much simpler to manage your finances if you don't spend money that you would otherwise need at a moment's notice. Step 2. Set up your Solana-based wallet. Next up, you'll need a Solana-based wallet in order to begin purchasing. Some of the most common choices include Solflare, Phantom, and if you are an expert user or a developer, you may want to consider Solid as an option. Remember that each of the NFT markets offered by Solana has its own set of collections, fees, and agreements to consider. With that in mind, make sure you do thorough research on your preferred site before committing your assets and initiating the connection of your wallets to the platform. Step 3. Buy your Sol. Similar to how Ethereum-based platforms need you to buy your NFTs with ETH, Solana-based platforms require you to purchase your NFTs with Sol. This implies that you'll have to purchase some Sol first. Binance, Coinbase, and Uphold are just a few of the cryptocurrency trading sites that provide Sol. To move forward, you'll need to acquire the quantity of Sol needed and then transfer it to the wallet address you've provided. To prepare your Sol for use in the purchase of Sol NFTs, you must first withdraw money from your bank account into your wallet. To be on the safe side, just take out a small amount of SOL at first to ensure that everything goes as planned. You may also withdraw just the amount of money that you need at any particular moment. Suppose you locate a piece of NFT art you like for 23 SOL and decide to withdraw just that amount plus a little more to cover the transaction fee, of course. Step 4. Look for an NFT that you like. With regards to NFT investing, there is no one-size-fits-all method that works for everyone. In the end, we all have our own preferences, but for most people, they choose NFTs that connect with them. Because individuals are actively investing in artworks, memes, and other digital creations that they believe are connected to their unique personalities or life objectives, collectibles are the most popular type of NFTs. If you're looking for some ideas, you can go through the trending areas of the Solana markets and see what kinds of items are currently garnering the most interest. As a beginner, this might be a wonderful starting point for you. Step 5. Buy the NFT of your liking. Solana is perhaps one of the most straightforward platforms to use when purchasing SOL NFTs, since it allows you to browse through information in almost any way that you like. You may go through the most recent NFTs in the top or trending NFT collections, or just see what's new in the categories listed. Solana also provides you with the opportunity to search for collections and tokens, allowing you to find items that interest you in a more targeted manner. Because I have spent a lot of time playing role-playing games and other games for the better part of my life, I was instantly attracted to the game-based NFTs available on this marketplace. If you are unable to find anything that captures your attention, or if you want to keep expenses as low as possible, you can hunt for items that are trading at a very low price. Once you found something you like, you can learn a little more about it by clicking on the NFT. After connecting your wallet, you will be able to view information such as who owns the art piece now and how much it is valued at, and where you can make an offer. So now that we know how to buy SOL NFTs, how do you sell one to make an easy profit? Let's find out in the next half of the video. Well, hello there. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. Just like buying SOL, the process of selling Solana NFTs is also very straightforward. First, go to your wallet and look for your collections. Once you find the NFT that you want to sell, just click on it, type your asking price, and hit the sell button. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So go ahead and make the most out of this opportunity. Given that we're still in the very early phases of the NFT revolution, there's a significant probability that additional markets and ETH rivals may emerge in the next several months or years. Since the markets are still in their infancy, they have the potential to become much more intuitive. And they are always being updated with new features to make your life a bit simpler in the future. Please keep in mind that after you've acquired your NFTs, you may move them to a hardware wallet if you like, to ensure that everything is kept as safe as possible. Once you realize how simple it is to acquire Solana NFTs, the most difficult part will be persuading yourself to refrain from just adding to your collection at your leisure. If you're having trouble resisting temptation, just remember to stick to the rules or limits you established before, and you should be all right. And that's how you buy and sell Solana NFTs like a pro. So are you ready to invest and possibly make some easy money? Let us know in the comments section below. That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is Crypto Talks, and we'll see you in our next video.